ask you that how are you? How are you
I,
doing?
I'm like good. I feel like good after saying you.
That's a nice answer.
Mm,
Really, that's a nice answer that after seeing you, I'm good. Really amazing.
hmm.
Okay, so as we are meeting for the very first time, can you introduce yourself?
I'm visible, Dipali. Really sorry. Ah, okay, now.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I
So
was asking you that as we are meeting for the very first time, am I like may I know something about you, something more about you? I only know your name that your name is Neetu Singh.
Hmm. So the Piali, my name is Neetu Singh. I am from Madhya Pradesh, but basically I'm staying in Delhi because my husband is working here. I am a homemaker. I have one kid. If I am talking about my education, so I have only completed my 12th class because when I was doing my graduation, at the time I got married. So I didn't complete my education, graduation.
Wow, that's really nice. Even after like completing your 12th class and you are speaking English fluently, that's really amazing. Really, it's a great achievement, I would say. Because most of the people, even they have after completing their graduation, their post graduation,
Hmm.
even getting a lot of degrees, they are not able to speak in English language because of lack of practice. And in this case, you have worked hard, even though you got married after class 12 and you are speaking English fluently. That's really amazing and it's really praiseworthy. Okay,
So
that's really good.
I
And
want
if I
to tell
talk,
you, yeah, I
yeah.
want to tell you something that like that in 12th class I was engaged with my husband. Okay, so when I was
Mm-hmm,
doing the second year of my college, like
mm-hmm,
open college, hardly you can go there to attend classes. But I didn't go there because my family doesn't want to go to like have a fun with because na village to villager are thinking like that. You never go
I am
outside
also
because
from
it's
a
not
village.
safe
I
for
am
you.
also from a village. I know. Yeah, I
So
know.
that was
I
my mother was thinking like that. Okay, so as when I was doing third year, no, so my in-laws family they forced to my family. It is that way. It is that
yeah.
age to get married. So I didn't complete it. I want to complete, but just because of
Mm-hmm.
they both family wants to get married. So okay, let's do it. I say to my family these things.
I know. I know the mindset of village peoples. I know very well.
Mhm.
So yeah, it's very. You can say that like they just if they see that there is a girl, like they have given birth to a girl. So one thing just came to comes to their mind that is like they are gonna arrange her marriage as soon as possible.
Mhm.
But nowadays, village people are also like getting modern day by day. They are also
More.
developing their thought thinking process. They are like improving their thinking process. So like they are not doing that, but even still in some villages, this thing is going on. Yeah. So I forgot to give you my introduction. So as you can see that my name is Piali De, and I
Mm.
am also from a village. I am from West Bengal and I have completed my post graduation in English and currently I am pursuing my B.Ed, that is Bachelor in Education. If I talk about my hobbies, then I love to listen to music, I love to watch movies, but I don't get time. And right now,
Mm.
learning English language has become my hobby.
Wow. When somebody is doing education, no, like is doing something, I feel bad for myself because I want to do educate more myself. And my husband allow, and my in-laws family also allow to me, like you can study. But in
Mhm.
a year, in a year, I have a baby. So this
Okay.
happened with me, and
Mhm.
now I have to take care of him. So like,
Mhm.
so this dream never become true for in my life.
Really.
Yeah.
Even getting a baby like at early age, this is also bad for our health as well, because many girls are getting married at early age before 18 and they are getting baby within 1 year, and after that they are suffering from many health issues just because of that thing.
We cannot change the people, but right now they are changing, but they cannot. We cannot change. Like you, if we cannot give him them like a medicine. Okay, you can change it. They will take time to change ourselves, na. So now they are changing.
Yeah.
Like you can consider as we are four sisters. So you can imagine
Mm-hmm.
that how my father has a burden on his like head. Like we have to marriage for four girls, and after we have two boys. Then they are thinking like that. And in my family, you can say that nobody can do, any girl cannot do job, like private job.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
they have.
Same thing,
Hmm,
same thing here, same also. Like if I go
hmm,
outside, then all the time they will ask me that where are you going, when will you come?
when
So
you
this
come.
keep asking, but they don't ask to boys. They don't ask it to boys.
No,
Boys are
my brother is like small, and then he is asking to.
yeah,
He is
boys have
asking.
freedom.
He is asking to where she is going, where when she will come. Okay, give me her
Mm.
number. I will call her. I will take her place. So this is all things he is doing with me.
Yeah, in the one hand, it is also good because they are worrying about you. They are very much
Mhm.
cautious about you. They are very much careful about you. That's why they keep asking that. In one way, it is good, but in another way, if you see from a girl side, so the girl most of the time they think that we are not getting freedom, that much freedom like boys. But
Mm.
actually, our parents are very much careful and very much cautious about us. So that's why they ask. But we have to understand that thing also. Yeah, suppose for example, you are a parent, and do you have a daughter or a
Boy,
son?
boy, I have.
Yeah, so boy. So suppose if you if you had a daughter now, then you will also do the same, because our we are built like that from the childhood. Like we have been taught so many gender roles in society.
But here I want to change 50% things for like they are doing with girls. But here I want to change. Like if in future, if I have a daughter now, I will change rules.
Yeah, yeah,
I want to give freedom, but in a like I will be strict, but in a some manner.
yeah. Yeah, yeah,
Hmm.
obviously. We
Hmm.
should not give excessive freedom to us, to
Yes.
everybody. Like, we should not give excessive freedom to everybody. Because
Hmm.
anything excessive is not, excessive freedom is also not good.
Hmm.
Like, if you give excessive freedom, so they will fly in the sky.
Yes. So, Piali, tell me how are you learning this language? Means, are you doing something special to learn this language?
No, I'm just having conversational videos, but not every day also. I'm not practicing regularly. But when I started practicing English, I used to practice regularly. And after gathering some fluency, I mean after becoming intermediate, so I stopped practicing, you can say. I'm not consistent. And
Ah, you.
because of this summer season, I don't feel like talking to people in one room, sitting in a single room, because of
Mm,
the temperature. I need to turn off the fan. I sweat a lot right now. I'm also sweating. You can see. So that's why
mm.
at that time. So that this is the thing. I don't feel like having conversation for a long time. So I just take one session, but not regularly. So
This is
before
my
you, I was.
fourth test. Today I took four sessions. You sent me message now. After before that, you one girl sent me. Okay, ma'am, I want to make a video. Okay, let's do it. And now I am
I
feeling happy.
I feel like how households are managing, like they are having conversation, they are doing household works, they are managing their kids. How ladies are managing, I don't know. Like, can you suggest me something about that? How you are managing your time, or how to manage time? Can you suggest me? Like,
You
usually you are cooking, right? As you are a housewife, so you cook, you
know,
take care of your kids. Like, at what time you practice English, and like, tell me your routine from morning to night. What do you do?
I'll tell you my more time to routine. Okay. I get up
Yeah.
early in the morning because I have to make breakfast and together lunch together for my husband. Okay. After that, I have to do all chores works. But together, I have to
Mhm.
take care of what is my son is doing because I have to give him milk. So again and again, I have
Mm.
to feed him. When I was doing, I have completed all his work. I have to, matlab, when I completed my all house chores work, na, after that he is sleeping. At 12:30 he will sleep. 1:30
Mhm.
now he doesn't get up. So now I can make video. After that he will sleep at night. At 10:30 he will sleep.
O
So if he's
okay.
sleeping now, so I can make video. Otherwise I cannot.
Mhm.
And
Mhm.
sometimes I just want to make like I want to rest also. I want to do rest also. But like if you are learning something now, so you want to sacrifice one thing. So this is I
Yeah,
am sacrifice for myself.
obviously. Obviously, we have to sacrifice many things.
Hmm.
Like we have to utilize the time as much as possible.
Yes. So what's your routine, Piali? So your name is very unique, Piali. Today I talk
Yeah,
with
people.
Dipali. That's why again and again my mouth is like Dipali.
Yeah, and Deepali at the end there is Lee, and Piari also at the end there is Lee. So that
That's
these names
why Piali
match.
Dipali.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
how is your English generation and English journey is going?
It's nowadays it's not going good because I am not practicing regularly. If I practice, then definitely it will go good. But yeah, whatever I like, I have improved till now. It's the result of my previous practice. I mean, in the past, whatever I have practiced. Actually, you know what? I used to do hard work when I started because one thing I used to cook in my mind, that is that I have to improve my English. So this thing was cooking in my mind all the time when I started, maybe more than 1 year ago. So that time I used to do hard work. For example, I used to listen English videos. I used to practice those videos. I used to form sentences from videos, pictures, and whatever I used to listen from my surroundings, whatever Bengali sentences, as I am from West Bengal, so my language is Bengali, mother tongue is Bengali. So I used to translate those sentences in English language. But if I was not able to translate, then I used to use Google Translator at that moment. So Google Translator helped me a lot in this case. So this thing I
Wow.
used to do in my past. And also I have played many games like story making game, role playing game, and sentence making games. This kind of games I have played. And one more thing is that I have discussed about many topics. For example, village life versus city life, and joint family versus nuclear family. These kind of topics I used to discuss in my past. But nowadays, I'm not like doing all those things because of lack of time. At the time, I had time. But nowadays, as I'm doing my own tuition, I mean, I'm teaching some students. I'm teaching two students. So they are kids, and I need to scream a lot there. Most of the time, I lose my energy there. So that's why, that's why I don't feel like talking more and more, because in the tuition I have to talk continuously.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
When
So this
somebody is
is this.
doing teaching now, I feel very blessed because they are to continuously they are working and they have to manage all the kids. And after that, their parents come. You didn't teach my sister son well. What are you doing?
Yeah.
This stuff talking they are doing with the teachers, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Most of the parents do that, but in my case, it did not happen. They always keep appreciating me that you are doing hard work really. Because of
Mm.
you, our children are getting educated.
Mm.
And really, well, like the student whom I am teaching, I have been teaching for 1 year. So at first she was not able to read English sentence. Now she can read each and everything.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so that's why they keep appreciating me.
Clearly,
Even
it's enough because I am feeling hungry right now.
okay,
Maybe
so
it's
we
enough.
can, yeah, we can wrap up the session here. Oh, and you can have your lunch.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day, dear.
Yeah, we can